Easy PEX shower setup. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through a simple, step-by-step PEX shower setup. Whether you're building new or doing a renovation, this is a great DIY project anyone can learn. We start by securing the framing to support our plumbing setup. I'm using my Ryobi impact driver to fasten the blocks. Make sure your framing is solid. This will keep everything in place behind the wall. Now it's time to run the water lines. Red PEX is for hot and blue PEX is for cold. Each one is connected to the valve using crimp fittings and secured with a PEX crimping tool, tight, clean, and leak-proof. This brass mixing valve is the center of the system. Hot water goes to the left, cold to the right, and the mixed water goes up to the shower head. Make sure everything is aligned and level before tightening. Before you cover up the wall, be sure to pressure test the system and check for leaks. Take your time, measure twice, and cut once. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know what plumbing project you'd like to see next.
That, hey, you know them type of dog that can train, you know. Them know pay. Yeah. So you can probably train them. Talk with them. Making the tricks and all of that.
What's in your mouth? Drop it. Drop. Drop it. Where am I? Drop. Drop. You don't want to listen?
Installing shower valve. This is the heart of the setup, the brass shower mixing valve. We've connected homemade or background music suggestions for your video.
plumb bag.
You know plumb bag?
No, sir. Line happy.
We not just kind of like one plumb bag, man.
No, sir.
You a plumber or you a plumb bag?
Official plumber.
Professional plumber.
Experience official plumber.